Okay, so let's say you want to log into HAOCLASS. You want to log into HAOCLASS. So just go to your web browser, your browser type HAOCLASS, you know, and click enter. Let's click on this password. Click on password login. Yes, so once you click on password login, this is the next place it takes you to. So the next thing you do is click on sign in. Type your password, type your phone number. Yes, that's the login details. Then click on sign in. It's taking me in now. So this is the interface. This is what you will see first. So let's go to the first one. You see day and timetable. So this is today's date. When you see next, this week, last week, add and delete. Add and delete. So this is last week. Maybe you want to check our classes for last week. You click on it to take you to the class. Last. Still taking me to last week. If you see, this is 20th of October. Okay. So let's say next week. The next week to keep taking you to the next week. Okay. So let's go to this week. So I'm clicking on this week. So you will see that this week, once I click on this week, you see today is 13th. Today is 13th, Thursday 13th. So that's what is here. So you see total. This total of the classes booked. The classes. These are the classes. They are 13. Opened. I have 12. I have 12 total open slots. My slots are 12, but I had only 9 booked. 9 booked classes. 3 are empty. Okay, you can see it here. So book rate is 75%. So let's go into the next thing you do when you get to this place. I think I should go back. When you look down here, you see workbench. Let me go to workbench. So workbench takes me back to this place. So you see your evaluations here. That's for those who do evaluation. Maybe those students has given evaluation. If your student have given you evaluations, you see it here. I haven't even checked this. Really? Students gave me evaluation. I haven't even checked. Really? I have to check it out. Vicky, Jasper. Okay. So I have to check it out later. Check out my evaluation later. So you see the evaluation students gave you here. Okay, you see your evaluations. So let's go back to the workbook. Click on this place. This is a workbook. It takes you back to workbench. Sorry. So this is my fixed classes. You want to check your fixed classes. I don't have fixed classes, weekly fixed classes. So let's say you have group class timetable. I don't have group class timetable. But yes, there is none. There is none. Go back. Group class record. I don't have. So yeah. So let me see. Go back. So the next one is my information. You want to see your information. I'll click here to see my information. Your information as a teacher. So these are my informations. Hello, teacher CC. This is me. This is my TOEFL and everything. Then all books. So you want to check all the books the organization are using. Maybe you want to download a particular textbook. So what you do is to click on all books. It takes you to the books the organization is using. So these are the books. Okay, you scroll down, you can see any of them. Let's go to let's go. Let's choose this let's go. Click on let's go. It's loading. It's loading. So this will be let's go begin 1. So you see other lessons. This is unit 1. Then you will see other lessons below. It's still loading, yes. So you see this is a unit. Yes, let's go begin 1. Then you see is a unit 1. You see lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3. You click on lesson 1. That if it's what you want. You click on lesson 1. Okay, when you click on lesson 1, it opens. Once it loads, the next thing you do is to go to download. Look at here, you see your download on your computer. Click on download and automatically it downloads. Okay, I'm not downloading it. Then you see it on your the books. So you just go back to these books. So what you do is to go back like using your arrow on your web engine, your search. Go back, it takes you back to this place. So when you want to log out, you want to log out from your computer, you can click on me. Click on me. This me. When you click on it, that's if you want to see your information. So you click on me. So this is my information. CC, yeah. So I'm going back again. So let's go to the okay, I'm going back. So it took me back to my evaluation. So yes. So now let's go to the main thing. This weekly timetable. You notice I haven't clicked on it. So here will show you your weekly timetable. You want to see all the classes you have in a week. You click on this weekly timetable. So these are all the classes I have. These are all the classes I have for this week. Okay? So these are all the classes I have for this week. You check, today is Thursday and these are the classes I have. So you see your classes here. You see all the classes. So let's check next week, because this is just enlarging the your weekly timetable. You click on next. It takes you to the next week. You see the classes you have next week. Okay? So these are the classes I have next week. So let's go back last week. It will take me back to this week. So if you're, maybe let's say you've gone to last week, you want to bring it back to this week, you just click on this week. It will just show you the classes you have this week. Okay, to show you the classes you have this week. So please, I'm going to blur my classes in case I'm going to blur some of them. So, but yes. So let's say you want to prepare for a class. Let's choose one of our classes. Let's go to this Adeline and Alice. Let's click on it. So this is the book Adeline and Alice have. The book this is the textbook they are going to learn. So I'll click on it. So you look at this. Let's go. The second link. Look down. You see this second link here. I'm hovering my pointer on it. Click on it. This link. So this is it. This is the textbook. The textbook is open. So just still go to your download and download. This is the textbook the student is going to learn today. This is a lesson the student is going to learn for today. So let me still go back. I'll go back to this place. I'm back to this place. Then yeah, you just remove it. Click on the X, that the X at the end here. Let me show you. On this X here, you just click here to close it. Then let's say there is maybe the student wrote something, they dropped a message, a note. Okay, you can just click on translate. Click on translate. It will translate it. It's going to take you to another platform entirely. Okay, yes, this is where it's going to bring you. Then you can see what the student wrote. Yes, Chinese. So just leave it on Chinese. Always Chinese. I've clicked on this always Chinese. No, 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 no. Translate option. Yes, Chinese always. Say this couldn't be translated. Let me click on it. Translate. Try again. Okay, translate to English. Yeah, you click on translate to English. I don't have any message. I don't have any text, any message from my parents. So you're not gonna see anything. But if a parent typed a message there, they dropped a message, you see it there. It will be read. You see it here. There's a message the parent drops, a remark. You see it there. Then you just click on translate. It takes you to this place, and you see it translate to English. You see it translated to English. To English. So I'm going back. So the next thing is let's say you want to add, let me say I want to add a slot. You see this add here, the blue one. Click on it. Click on it. So it takes you to this place. Remember, I don't know, depending on where you are, please use Chinese time. Don't forget to use Chinese time, okay? This time here is Chinese time. It's the time of any country, depending on the country, so you have to use their time. Okay, look at the time your organization works with. So let me say tomorrow is Saturday. I want to open my 6 a.m. slot. So you have to just tomorrow. So let me go up. Tomorrow is 14th. Let me click on 14th. Mind you, today is past. So once the day is past, you can't add, you can't delete. So let's go to 14th. Tomorrow is 14th. I've clicked on it. Then let me go down. So I'll select 6 o'clock. That's 6 a.m. 6:30, 7 a.m. Then let me go here. You go down. Click on save. Time added time successfully. Okay, so let me go back because I'm going to delete it. Then you go back to timetable. Click on back to timetable. So let's click on delete. Let's go to delete. Delete on 14th. I'm choosing 14th. So okay, but let me just go back. Go to workbench. Let me go to workbench. Weekly timetable. So you see that 6 o'clock that I opened for tomorrow. So look at it. You can see it here. 6, 6:30, 7. Okay, look at it here for tomorrow. So I'm going to close it. So let's say you want to delete it. You just go to delete. Click on delete. Okay, go there, delete. Click on that delete. You see the empty spaces will be opened. You see it there. It will show you delete on the empty